Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Successful 5-minute binary option strategy. Learn how to get the most of it. And in today's video, I will present you a 5-minute strategy on binary options. I will teach you how to be successful with this 5-minute strategy, and if you want to see what's all about, stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So let's jump into the video. Hello, what's going on, my beloved traders? In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use binary cent and 5 minutes strategy with binary options trading, and stay here until the end of this video to see what's all about. So what I will do a live trading session using 5-minute strategy, using BLW Turbo Strategy by Christian AP. And for those of you who don't know what is BLW Turbo Strategy, I recorded a video 3 weeks ago about a full review about this app, about the Turbo Strategy app. So I'll put the video somewhere here in order to see it. As you can see here, I have in my left hand side the BLW Turbo Strategy, and I will wait a signal to come from it. As you can see, I have now one here on Euro Japanese Yen, all just arrived. It is on put on Euro Japanese Yen, and I will place this signal into my binary cent broker account. Let's see, let's have a look again, and we have another one. Let's take this one because it's fresh new. It is on Euro Swiss franc. It's a put. Let's find Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc, bam, and let's make it here $100. And now let's wait a little bit. It's on 1 minute. Let's move it on 5 minutes. So this is all you have to do. Choose the time, 5 minutes. Choose the amount you want to trade, and click on call or put button in this. Now is the time, put. All right, and as you can see, it's going down, and let's wait to see what will happen. Here is our trade. It's an order size $100. So let's wait and see what will happen. Successful trading in any market can be a major challenge for everyone, and discovering any strategy that works consistently is even more challenging. Defining and then deploying a trading strategy that suits your specific resources and abilities can be somewhat hit and miss process, which can turn out to be not only frustrating but also costly. Right now there are both reliable and available trading strategies that can and will work for you, which are both simple to master and will deliver a high rate of success. The 5 minutes binary options trading strategy is one of them, and with the specific 5-minute binary option strategy, your only mandatory requirements for success are that you currently have an existing trading account, manage and maintain a patient trading plan, formalize yourself with all available charts provided by your broker. If you've got this, you are on your way. Discovering and accurately predicting trading trends is key to your success, and a reliable trading strategy absolutely depends on the use of a derivative oscillator indicator. This indicator is entirely based on accurate analysis of all available technical data. It's through this accurate data analysis that your derivative oscillator will be able to examine the price movement of specific assets and then accurately predict the movement range and timing. This indicator is especially reliable when significant asset price movement is already occurring. When movement is already happening, the success and or failure of this 5-minute binary option trading is largely a matter of proper timing and understanding when to put your transaction into action. The key to the success of your trading account action is based entirely on accurately examining 5-minute trading intervals, because this strategy absolutely and exclusively operates successfully on a 5-minute time frame. In addition to trading timing, the 5-minute binary option strategy is effectively successful when developed on low volatility currency pairs such as USD Euro or the USD Canadian dollar, and on high volume stocks like Apple, Amazon, Nike, and so on. The crucial key to this strategy is to ensure that your derivatives oscillator indicators analysis are accurate, which will in turn allow for accurate timing in your trading, which will then produce successful trades for you. One very effective trading approach is to also examine candle charts results and then merge your derivative oscillator indicator analysis with those. Using this combination, you'll find that the price action of your candle chart and your derivative oscillator indicator analysis will reliably coincide. Okay, so we have this trade. It's in the money, as you can see here. It's closed. The trade is closed. The 5-minute just closed, and as you can see, we are in the money with this trade. So let's wait to see if we can catch another signal from BLW Turbo Strategy app. So we had this Euro Swiss franc. Now it's a little bit early. The candle chart results should accurately track alongside your indicator analysis, which will in turn predict price movement, allowing you to capitalize with an effective timing. For example, given that the next chart candle clearly indicates corollary charge in movement, you can accurately predict a shift in price and then place your trade in a timely manner as part chart movement. Of course, in order to produce profit, the timing of your trade must take advantage of that 5-minute trading window. So we have another signal from BLW Turbo Strategy, which is Euro Swiss franc. It is a put, so also Euro Swiss franc. Okay, and now is the time. Okay, now it's placed, as you can see here, and we should at the end of this 5-minute, we should be below this red line here. So let's wait and see what will happen. Let's have a look on candle chart on Euro Swiss franc. Oh, and as you can see, this is a it is a downtrend from here, as you can see, and is very volatile. Let's wait and see what will happen. Let's have a look again. Yes, Euro Swiss franc, it is a put. All right, so this one, it is out of the money, so it happens. So we will wait for the next signal and we will increase the trading amount. We will trade, so we will place a $300 trade. So let's wait and see the next signal. All right, so we have another signal. Let's have a look. On Euro Swiss franc, it is also a put. All right, let's increase this to $300. Okay, put, and let's see what will happen. So we should be below this line at the end of the 5-minute trade, and here we have the trade Euro Swiss franc, and the payout will be $540. So let's wait and see what will happen. Due to trading volatility, missing your 5-minute trading window will most likely generate a fall. But if you've paid strict attention to your trading tools, this basic yet effective trading approach can provide a good rate of return, in many cases as high as 70%. With studious practice, the 5-minute binary option strategy can and should be fine-tuned to your specific indicators and should always generate reliable trading success. But if you don't want to mess with this all technical analysis, my advice to you is to use BLW Turbo Strategy app, and it will analyze for you everything regarding 5 minutes trading strategy. So let's wait and see what will happen with this trade, which is a 300 trade, if will be in the money or not. As you saw it was a put, and it's going in the good direction. As you can see, we are in the money at this moment, and we have 3 minutes more until the trade it will be in the money. If you want to use BLW Turbo Strategy, the only thing that you have to do is to go below this video in the description area and register for BLW Turbo Strategy. Go there, sign up. It's I think $160 you have to pay for this app. And the next thing, you should go and see all the training provided by Christian AP inside and as you can see, this one, it is in the money also, so it's in the money. That's great. And go there, see all the training provided by Christian AP, because it's not delivering only the app, and also you have a lot of learning videos there. There are a lot of, I think 2-3 hours of videos where you can learn a lot of strategies. It's showing you how you set the app in order to be successful using this 5-minute trading strategy app. So that's the video for today. Go below this video in the comments area and leave a comment if you want to ask something. Email me at chrisbrag@gmail.com. You'll have my email in the description also. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.